A cheap laptop is no longer guaranteed to be a bad laptop. It is easier than ever to grab a quality machine for less than $400 or less than 30,000 Indian rupees. Unfortunately, there are still some pretty terrible options out there, so you have to know how to avoid them. So we have filtered out the best ones from the multiple options available, and we have brought you the top 5 best affordable laptops that you can buy in 2020 and even in 2021. Please hit the like button to share this video and subscribe my channel. Lenovo IdeaPad S145. Lenovo may be known for its yoga lineup, but the manufacturer offers a wide variety of affordable laptops as well. One such option is IdeaPad S145, which will cost you around $360 in the international market and under 30,000 Indian rupees with a solid spec sheet. You will find the base model working with an AMD Athlon 300U chip coupled with 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of SSD storage. The large 15.6-inch HD display is powered by an AMD Radeon Vega 3 graphics card, though the main fault with the IdeaPad is the weak 4-hour runtime. Many people use their laptops plugged in anyway, but it would be nice to know that you can go for hours unplugged. Many Lenovo laptops are great for business with a hinge that flattens out to 180 degrees. You can share your screen with your team or add other functionality with the USB Type-A ports. Links are given in the description. You can buy this laptop from there. Acer Spin 1. If you are on the hunt for a cheap laptop, it is always nice to know that you are not limited to simple clamshells. There are a number of affordable 2-in-1 out there, including the Acer Spin 1. It is running on Intel's hardware and will cost you around $280 in the international market and under 30,000 Indian rupees. One drawback of this 2-in-1 design is that you only get an Intel Pentium Silver processor coupled with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of SSD storage. As you would expect with a laptop that is also a tablet, the Spin 1 has a 11-inch multi-touch HD panel. The 8 hours of battery life is certainly respectable for a 2-in-1 at this price point. Like many of the budget-friendly options, the Acer Spin is running the Windows 10 Home S mode, though some may find a 11-inch screen is a bit too small for this. Links are given in the description, you can buy it from there. Acer Aspire 5. Another competitor for the title of best cheap laptop is the Acer Aspire 5, which will cost you around $350 in the international market and comes under 35,000 Indian rupees. The base model is loaded with the AMD Ryzen 3 chip, though you can boost it to a Ryzen 5 or Ryzen 7 for a price. It matches the Asus VivoBook in terms of internals with 4 GB of DDR4 RAM and a 128 GB of SSD storage. Acer's Full HD 15.6-inch display runs on AMD Radeon Vega 3 graphics with Windows 10 Home in S mode. You should have more than enough battery life to work comfortably away from an outlet for up to 7.5 hours. The Acer Aspire 5 is another laptop with plenty of potential for peripherals. It features an HDMI port, 3 USB Type-A ports and an Ethernet hookup. This is an amazing laptop and one of the best budget laptops that you can find in 2020 and even in 2021. Links are given in the description, you can buy it from there. Asus VivoBook 15. It is nearly impossible to make a list of best cheap laptop by excluding Asus VivoBook 15. An affordable AMD Ryzen 3 chips keeps the VivoBook 15 well under budget at just $320 in the international market and under 30,000 Indian rupees. The AMD setup continues with a Radeon Vega 3 graphics card powering the sharp 15.6-inch Full HD display. Under the hood, you will find a 4 GB of DDR4 RAM along with a 128 GB of SSD to keep the Windows 10 Home S mode experience running smoothly. Some budget-friendly laptops can be accused of looking cheap, but the VivoBook 15 combines a 4-sided nano edge display and a backlit keyboard for an experience that punches above its price. For all of the perks, the VivoBook doesn't skip out the peripherals either. It comes equipped with 2 USB Type-A ports, 1 USB Type-C port and an HDMI port too. It is a complete package, comes at a very affordable price. Links are given in the description, you can buy it from there. Microsoft Surface Go 2. The Microsoft Surface lineup is a leader in 2-in-1 game since its launch in 2012. It is also been known for its hefty price tag, that is until Microsoft Go and brand new Surface Go 2. This refreshed version of the smallest Microsoft Surface tablet comes at a price of under $400 and under 40,000 Indian rupees. If you are familiar with the Surface line, you can probably guess that this price includes only the tablet itself, which is really disappointing because you have to spend extra money to buy the keyboard and a Surface Pen for the full experience. You will have to spend a bit extra to pick up a type cover and a Surface Pen for the full experience. The base configuration of the Surface Go 2 is rocking 4GB of RAM and 64GB of SSD storage, but you can splurge and double them to 8GB of RAM and 128GB respectively by paying extra money. In a relatively crowded market of the 2-in-1s and tablets, the Surface Go 2 is a refined option with years of experience. It has got amazing display that you cannot find on any other laptop at this price point, average performance and gives amazing portability. Links are given in the description, you can buy it from there. So these are our top 5 best budget laptops that you can buy in 2020 and even in 2021. If any of the laptop that you feel I have missed in this video, please comment in the comment section about this laptop, so I will include in my updated video of the best budget laptop in the coming days. Please hit the like button and don't forget to share this video with among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.